Welcome back to Turner Tools, EdTech tips and tricks to help you work smarter, not harder.
I wanted to show you how you could enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail, which could really help you if you're trying to do things quicker and save time. So to do that, you're going to go to the gear icon, then see all settings, and then you're going to scroll down until you see keyboard. And it says keyboard shortcuts, and we're just going to turn them on. Now you can actually click this link called Learn More, which I have also linked in the Canvas classroom. And that's actually going to go through some of the common keyboard shortcuts that you can use. I will also post these in the Canvas classroom. Having an email signature is really important because if you're emailing anyone that is outside of your area, really even outside of your building, if you're a relatively large district, people aren't going to know who you are. So it's important that you have a professional signature. The length of it can vary depending on what you want to put in there. I usually include my phone number, the location that I'm at, a website, and then also my social media if I have it, the book that I'm currently reading, librarian, I like to do that, the logo for the place that I work. And then I also have, you can actually schedule me virtually, and that's something that's unique to the position that I have at BOCES. So I have that information in there too. Now to get to this, you go to settings, our favorite gear icon, then see all settings, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says signature. You can have more than one signature. I just have one at this point, but you could have one for personal things. You could have one for professional things. It just depends on what you want to do. But I find that this box is one, very small, and two, I can't actually get things exactly where I want them to be. So I create a template in Google Docs. Now, why Google Docs and not Google Slides? I find that I'm able to copy and paste the easiest from Google Docs. I tried it in Google Slides and it didn't work. Now you'll notice that there's two versions here, the final version, and then we have this one, which is my working version. And so I can put an image in here, I can insert an image, I can change this text, I can put all my information in there. I can add a logo if I want to on the side, and you'll notice that what I'm using is a table. A table works really well because I can get everything spaced exactly the way I want it to be spaced. Then when I'm finished, I can highlight that whole table and I can go up here in the taskbar for Google Docs and I can change the border color to white. Magic! It's disappeared. So that's really great because our compose windows in Gmail are white. So you can't see the fact that I have a table right here. Works out really, really nicely. So I'm just going to undo that because this template is for you all to use. And then you'll just take this, the final version, copy it, go back to your settings, and you will paste it right in here. Okay, so then that's in there. Now you'll notice that my fonts are slightly different. So if you don't like that, you can always copy it and then change it to the limited font selections that we have here. Why are there limited font selections? Well, because when the internet was a baby, there were only so many fonts that they had on websites and then were available on all computers. I highly suggest that you create a signature and add it to your Gmail. Another item to check out in settings is the stars. You can actually have multiple colors of stars. You can do all stars, you can just do 4 stars or 1 star. And what this does is that when you're in your inbox, you can actually change to a different colored star depending on your color scheme. So another way that you can use color in a Google product. So I would definitely recommend going through each item in your settings to make sure that there's nothing that you want to turn off or turn on to help your workflow. Good luck.
Thank you for tuning in to Turner Tools. Remember to like and subscribe. I hope you learned something new to help you make awesome happen. Have a fabulous day.